He's been writer, director, producer, and now he's showrunner also. So we are here to talk with the man who wears many hats, Mr. Suraj Barjatia, about his upcoming show Sangmarmar. Welcome to Hindustan Times, sir, first of all.
Thank you so much.
I'll start with the show. The title, Sangmarmar, is evocative of Taj Mahal, first of all, which is the eternal symbol of love. So what was the idea behind choosing this title? Then we'll talk about the show.
Actually, when this story was conceived, we set it up in Agra because, of course, Taj. But the Sangemarmar represents the marble on which the Taj is built, and in this film, it's a story of a boy and a girl. They are not married, and for 25 years, we see the journey of their relationship grow. So we wanted a title which is everlasting. So that's where the Sangemarmar, the marble reference, which doesn't fade, but which remains stable, constant, in spite of all the winds and all the andhis and all the rain. So that's where the Sangemarmar word comes as which testifies a relationship of the boy and a girl.
Right. The long-lasting love, as you call it. In today's times, it is so heartening to see something which talks about long-lasting love, because हमारे attention span ही इतने कम हो गए हैं कि प्यार का duration ही कम हो गया लोगों का. So hats off for that. But I want to ask you this, that you have made cinema for theaters पहले. Now you're coming on a different platform which is of the times. Why did you feel Sangemarmar was a fit for streaming?
Actually, we are here to tell stories. हम television भी करते हैं, theater भी करते हैं, streaming. And इतनी कहानियाँ हैं, I must tell you, in family. आप कोई भी घर में देखो, कोई भी खिड़की देखो जैसे कहानी, तो कुछ कहानियाँ लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट, कुछ 6 महीने, कुछ 2.5 घंटे, कुछ ऐसी हैं जो नहीं बोल पाते. So the credit goes to Jio Studios. Jyoti ji and Priyanka ji, they came and they said कि हमें एक प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए, कहानी चाहिए जो टेलीविजन और OTT को ब्रिज करें. So we were just taken aback and इसे हमको शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट, बट हम इसे लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट कहेंगे. It's a long format for us, and हमें भारत की कहानी चाहिए. And forget whether it's a man, women, men. Tell us a story which is Bharat Indian for families.
Right.
And instantly we got the vision. और ये कहानी actually बहुत पहले मेरे father he is no more, उनकी favorite कहानी है. And that is when जब हम लोग उनको ये bounce किए तो they liked it, and तब से it has been credit to our writer Rajita Sharma ji, director Vikram Ghai, creative director Rahul Modi. मतलब we all have worked very hard because हमें मौका मिला आज के माहौल में जहाँ लोग स्ट्रीमिंग में क्राइम ज़्यादा चलता है, वहाँ हमें एक मौका मिल रहा है टू टेल अवर काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी. सो हर एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे, फिल्म हो, थिएटर हो, टेलीविजन हो या स्ट्रीमिंग हो, हर एक का अपना सुर है. यहाँ हमें मौका मिल रहा है थोड़ी सटल कहने के लिए, थोड़ा और कैरेक्टराइजेशन में डेवलप करने के लिए, जो हमें film में टाइम नहीं है, and television we have to hit bang on.
Right, of course.
Want the full story? Watch now on Desi Martini. Find the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.